distinguish between. Fourth, autonomous consumption, induced consumption. So first point, it is compulsory consumption expenditure irrespective of size of income. For example, you will spend on clothes, on food, on shelter, even if you don't earn. Why? Because ये basic necessities हैं of life के. So if you are not earning, even when your income is zero, you either you will use your past savings, you will beg or borrow, whatever, but ये consumption कभी भी zero नहीं हो सकता है, because it is not dependent on your income and it is income inelastic. Next point, induced consumption. Induced consumption depends on level of income and directly related to it. ये income elastic है, income पे depend करता है. So autonomous consumption is income inelastic, whereas induced consumption is income elastic. Third point, autonomous consumption का, it includes expenditure on food, clothes, medicine and defense. जबकि induced consumption, it includes expenditure on comfort and luxuries. Fourth point, autonomous कंजम्पशन, ये इट इज वेलफेयर ओरिएंटेड, जबकि इंड्यूस्ड कंजम्पशन प्रॉफिट ओरिएंटेड होता है. ऑटोनॉमस कंजम्पशन कैन नेवर बी जीरो, इट इज एसेंशियल फॉर सर्वाइवल. जैसे फूड, क्लोथ्स, मेडिसिन, ओके, इसके ऊपर जो पैसा खर्चा करोगे उतना करोगे ही, इनकम पे डिपेंडेंट है ही नहीं. जबकि इंड्यूस कंजम्पशन, इट चेंजेस इन प्रोपोर्शन टू लेवल ऑफ इनकम. इनकम बढ़ेगी, इंड्यूस कंजम्पशन बढ़ेगा. इनकम घटेगी तो आप उसको भी कम करोगे.